Hello everyone, welcome to Honaris Arts and Lifestyle channel. I wish you all a very happy and prosperous Diwali. In this video, I will be telling you about a very nice shop in which we can find a lot of craft materials. And the reason why I'm doing this video is because we all know that we are in a pandemic situation right now and we are not able to visit lots of shops. And we don't know from where to get the items and who can actually coordinate with us on a WhatsApp and give us the best price and the best customer experience and deliver everything to our doorstep. So when I wanted some of the craft material which actually falls under the embroidery materials also, so I was searching in a lot of shops where I wanted to buy it in a wholesale price. Okay, I tried ordering some of them from Amazon. The problem was that the price was too much and the quantity given was very less. And when I approached a few shops in the market, they gave a very tough time in even showing the products. Let's forget about delivering it to my house. The problem was that these are all wholesale shops, so it will usually be crowded. Though they are going to have lots and lots of material and lots of options, what is very important during this pandemic situation is how well they can actually show us the items which are available, not just the ones that we are asking, but many options in that, and how will they coordinate with us in delivering it, right? I really had a very tough time in one of the shops, and then I finally searched in the internet to find an alternative for that. And that is when I came across this beautiful shop called Bharat Fancy Stores. Okay, again, this is a wholesale shop, but the fortunate thing about this shop is they sell the items in bulk also. And even if we want it in small quantity, even then the items are available. Okay, and they will deliver it to any corner of India through courier, so they will be charging extra for the courier. The advantage with this particular shop is that the prices are less when compared to Amazon or any other online shops where you can order, and the second thing is the quantity you are going to get is lot more. Okay, so let me just show you a few items that I purchased from the shop, and after this I will be taking you through the virtual tour. Because these guys give me such a good customer experience, I feel like they deserve to be known to the whole world, so that you all can also purchase from them. This is not a promotional video, I'm just giving my review about the shop. So as soon as I got to know the shop, I requested them to actually do a virtual tour about the shop and send me across the video, and that is what I'll be sharing now. Towards the end of this video, I will also be sharing the photographs of some of the great products that they have, and very unique products. And especially for all the ladies, please do watch this video till the end, because they have got some very unique waist belts, which you can actually wear on any saris or any gowns, and you can get a traditional look or a contemporary look just by wearing them. And this is something which I've seen for the very first time in the market, so you might want to check out that. Hence, please make sure that you watch this video until the end.
This is Bharat Fancy Store. We deal in sequins, glass beads, hot fix stones, art silk thread, chattans, zari, zardoshi, embroidery patches. It's on near Avenue Road, Lakshmi Commercial Complex, Kumbarpet Main Road. We also have Latkan, tassels, designer buttons, brooches, gota, acrylic stones, Swarovski crystals. Let's start our shop tour. These are fancy flowers. So fabric flowers or whatever fancy flowers to be applied on fabrics, garments, packaging, anything is can do. These are good quality designer patches with full embroidery works. All are handmade exclusively. We have different good quality peacock designs. So this department is basically of fancy buttons, embroidered buttons, fabric buttons. So you get wholesale packing also, and you get in small quantity also. So it suits all your needs. If you want to buy bulk, this is the place, and if you want to buy in small quantity, this is also your place. So these are stone glass beads buttons. Now this is a trending item. These are belts, waist belts, embroidered waist belts. So we have traditional also and contemporary designs also in the belts. So these are something which you can use on your kurtas, on your saris. All are adjustable belts and multi-purpose. Then we have these kind of flower motifs, different kinds of for your gowns. These are the varieties in belts. And this is the one of the best place for you to shop for your all your embroidery needs. These are Nakshi, Zardoshi, Sadi, n number of range and colors and varieties. Easy to shop, easy to pick up things. These all are kundans, ceramic beads, CCB beads, resin kundans, traditional kundans. These are different varieties of glass beads, small size, sugar beads, Japanese beads. These are cut beads. These are sugar beads. You get single color, multicolored. Then this whole department is of silk thread. You can buy silk thread, zari threads, whatever you want, how much ever pieces you want, you can buy. Just have a look at the shades. Zari. These are zari threads, imitation zari, antique zari, gold zari. You can come, you can pick up dori. These are dori. Then we have fancy buttons, all metal buttons and fancy buttons. So these are handmade crochet buttons. Stone buttons, metal buttons. These are for frosted, for jewelry making or for tassel making. These are again assorted embroidered buttons. Wooden buttons you get, shell buttons you get, jute flowers you get. Heavy embroidered patches also you get. All are very good finishing products. These kind of patches, embroidery, big patches, small patches. And these for our kuchu beads, CCB beads, what you call. All are 50 grams packing. And if you want bulk, we also have 500 grams packing with us. These are glass beads, 2-hole glass beads. Then we have all these wooden parrots, elephants, peacocks, different designs. These all are CC beads variety. These are new stones, metal stones or button stones you can call them, or a ring stone you can call them, used for jewelry making, temple jewelry making, for the idols, for the garments, everything you can use. Then we have ABS pearl beads, 50 grams packing. We have metal sequence, different varieties in metal sequence. Then we have all these alloys, metal alloys in silver and in gold, all different shapes, caps, beads, pendants, everything. Then here we have our traditional kundans, which looks very royal on the embroidery blouses, saris. Then we have chatons, you call them as diamond stones. We have all the sizes, all the colors in this. We have also rings to fit, glue for this. Then these are bangle stones. Bangle stones, we have more than 50 to 70 designs in this, different shapes, sizes, multicolored, and glass and ceramic. Then we have hot fix stones, different varieties in hot fix stone, glass stones. Also have some clip stones. All the size shapes are available in this. These are called sunflower clip stones. We have all the varieties in this. Lakshmi pendants, small size, big size, antique. So all these things we have. Lakshmi coins we have. You get all kind of stone chains also, all the colors, sizes. These kind of stone studded pendants also we have. A lot of varieties in opal stones as well. These are opal clip stones. All the shapes are also available, sizes are also available. And these are add-ons for your garments, belts, hot fix stone sheet, men's brooches, malas also we have. For the wedding things or any functions, ready malas we have. Basic also, return gifts also, so anything, you know. Then this is our logo, Beats and Craft, and these all are fancy exclusive hangings, handmade, everything. And we keep updating ourselves in different varieties, different concepts. Yeah, hope you like the video and hope you share this to your friends, relatives. Also, sorry, forgot, we have different kind of laces, exclusively everything handmade. Yeah. So once again, the overall view. So this is one place where you get all your embroidery needs, ready tassels, ready patches, stone chain, cup chains, sugar beads, glass beads, sequins, jewelry making, machine embroidery making. Hope you visit this store and have a very good experience. Thank you, and you can also call us at 9686208863. This is the number you can call us, and also landline number 41140030. Thank you.
So dear friends, I hope you have liked this video, and if you want me to do more of such videos wherein I show you the best places to purchase certain things in Bangalore, then please do leave a comment in the comment box and I'll be more than happy to do such videos. Thank you so much and wish you a very happy Diwali again.